How's it going, guys? It's your boy Jacob here, back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game called The Hood, which I know you guys absolutely love, and I will always say that no matter what. So let me just go ahead and Synapse really decided to get deleted for some reason. Let me just go ahead and change that real quick. May allow on device, so yes, now to go and go to Synapse. Okay, sorry, it's a big mess, but yeah, today's script is a silent aim for The Hood. And shout out to Corpse, I believe, for this. We'll show that in a minute. Synapse, let's open it. Okay, now execute. Okay, we're gonna close that. We're gonna extract to desktop. Synapse X, okay. And let me just go ahead and do this and allow it. Allow. Okay. There we go. Now it should allow me to open Synapse now, or at least attempt to. So before I start off, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also subscribe to my second channel if you'd like. I haven't posted a lot on it though, since like 7 months ago. But yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. We need just a couple more subs in order to get there. And shout out to this guys for making this awesome thumbnail. I mean, it looks pretty well done. He outdid himself with this one, honestly, because it's a more of like a custom one. And shout out to Corpse for the silent aim that he, provided me today. Also, make sure you join my group in the description below, Stellar Empire. We're almost at 800 members. I want to say, can we get to around 3,000 members by the end of this month? That's going to be my goal. 3,000 members. Yeah, 3,000 members. I think this is a pretty good goal because I want to get by the end of this year, I want to get to 20,000 subscribers, but that's a whole other story. Let me go ahead and change counts real quick. I need to join one of my accounts, which I have plenty of in case they ban me and stuff. And I'm gonna join The Hood. Open it up and let's wait up. So yeah, guys, like I said, thank you so much for the support you've been giving me on my past videos. They're all doing pretty darn decent. Some reaching over 7,000 views, guys, and I believe one of them reached over 30,000 views. So let's hope we can keep on getting more videos that can blow up and bring more exposure to my channel and make our fan base a little bigger, So let me do that real quick. I got teleported. Wait, oh no, I'm a cop. Okay, so shout out to that guy for literally doing that. I did nothing to him. I am a police officer at the moment, and I will spawn right here, I believe, but I'm just gonna run away while I can get this on. I think they changed the animation, right? Yeah, I believe they changed the animation for that. But anyway, we're just gonna execute this. And as you can see, you got this, and you can do show field of view. Let me turn this off real quick. Sorry. You can activate silent aim separately. As you can see, you can activate it, and now it says not active. Oh my god, I have a big mess. I'm gonna clean right now. Or you can reactivate it, and it's gonna showcase that it's currently not active. Oh, hold on. Okay. Size. Let's do that. It says it's not active. I don't know why. Actually, I think I shouldn't have came this way. It's pretty debatable because I can go ahead and get the silence right there. So shout out to Corpse for the script. I don't know if he made it originally or not, but he's the one that gave it to me, and it comes with this little GUI. So GG's. Let me go ahead and get the silencer. Let's see if this works out for me like it's supposed to. If it does, it's good. It's going to be really overpowered because you can become one of the most OP police officers, PvPers, however you want to say this, in the world. Honestly. Okay, it does work, guys. So shout out to that guy, because it does work. You guys saw that I wasn't even aiming at him or them, and it worked pretty good. It's just obviously gonna be a little off when it comes to targeting that way. Yeah, so that's pretty good, and it does headshots all the time, which is pretty good. Let me go ahead and get the Glock and a bunch of ammo for it. Let me get some medium armor as well. You know, I have the money for it, so I can pretty much buy whatever I want. Holy moly, that's I don't take that back, but yeah, so as you can see, it does headshot, but it is a little off sometimes. But it says currently not active. I'm not sure why. You can make this really small if you'd like, and you just aim at people, and it's going to automatically headshot them. As you can see, that's pretty cool. Headshotted him pretty decently. Now I did have armor, thankfully. Now it's a little weird sometimes, I would have to say. Let me make this a little bigger. Watch. Cause like I normally wouldn't hit the headshots like 100% like that, you know. Watch. And if I aim at their body, it's still going to headshot them, you know. Alright, so that I am getting a little bit destroyed. Okay, I don't know if it's working or not. I'm gonna turn it on and off. Like, it is helping me get more headshots, I would say that. Oh, they didn't even get me. It mostly works on targets that are stationary, but I haven't tried this with other guns, you know. Because you can see I'm aiming at their body, but it's still shooting at their head. That's what silent aim is. It's a little bit less detectable, but it's still going to help you, you know, potentially get headshots and stuff. Now if this guy ends me, I will go get another weapon and I will come back for him, because I still have like 2 minutes left, so we have this time to the perfect weapon for this script would actually be the revolver, considering the fact that it has low ammunition yet really high damage, therefore allowing you to get 1 to 2 shot eliminations. So let me just put that all out the way. Watch, got the revolver. I'm just gonna buy a bunch of ammo for it. I don't know if it used to be more expensive or if it's always been that price. Yeah, I think it got nerfed, honestly. Yeah, the revolver is not optimal for this. They make this smaller. Maybe that's the problem here. The size. Okay, that's not wrong. Do I have to aim down maybe? Yeah. That seemed to work a little bit, I guess. Yeah, that worked pretty well. Okay, yeah, it's a little odd, I have to say. But aiming down sights does seem to help it a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, okay, aiming down sights does help it a pretty decent amount. You just aim at their direction, and yeah, it works like a charm. Let me arrest this guy just because he's annoying. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I shouldn't have gone to check. Okay, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more future scripts. Join my groups, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.